You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to delete your Facebook search history. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com in a web browser and log into your account. On the main app, tap the three-line menu icon, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. In this section, tap on Settings. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll down to the Permissions section and select Activity Log. Your activity log will open, showing a history of your actions. At the top of this log, tap on the category filter that says Filter by Activity Type. From the list of activity types, scroll and select Search History. Your entire list of Facebook searches will now be displayed. To delete a single search, tap the three dots next to that specific search entry and select Delete from the menu. To clear your entire search history at once, look for and tap the option that says Clear Searches near the top of the list. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Clear to permanently delete all items in your Facebook search history. Please note that clearing this history does not stop Facebook from logging your future searches, but you can manage this in your off Facebook activity settings. Your search suggestions will now be reset. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.